क्रिसमस आने वाली, क्या कहना चाहेंगे कि कितना वैल्यूएबल फेस्टिवल है आपके लिए और कैसे सेलिब्रेट करते हैं इसको?
आई थिंक ये सिर्फ मेरे लिए नहीं, सब लोगों के लिए बहुत ही ज़्यादा कलरफुल क्रिसमस. ओके, टेक योर टाइम.
पंद्रह क्रिसमस आने वाली है, तो क्या कहना चाहेंगे कितना वैल्यूएबल फेस्टिवल आपके लिए, सेलिब्रेशन कैसे करने वाली हैं फेस्टिवल को लेकर?
सबसे पहले तो मैंने रेड पहना हुआ है. आई थिंक सबको सबसे पहले रेड पहनना पड़ेगा क्रिसमस को सेलिब्रेट करने के लिए. लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू लॉट्स ऑफ गिफ्ट्स, केक कटिंग्स, वेयरिंग रेड कैप्स, गोइंग आउट विद फ्रेंड्स एंड मैं एक फिल्म फेस्टिवल का तैयारी कर रही हूँ. सो आई थिंक आई एम गोइंग टू सेलिब्रेट इट ओवर देयर.
तो जैसे आपने कहा कि फिल्म फेस्टिवल की तैयारी करें, कौन से फिल्म के लिए कर रही हैं और कौन से फिल्म फेस्टिवल की तैयारी कर रही हैं, कितना इंपॉर्टेंट है?
फिल्म फेस्टिवल ऑब्वियसली मेरी रांची डायरीज के कंटेक्स्ट में है, बट देयर इज दिस म्यूजिक फेस्टिवल कमिंग अप व्हिच इज हैपनिंग इन गोवा. तो आई एम लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू इट. चल रहा है.
So what is the role you are playing in the music festival as a guest? You are going to
No, yeah, I'm just going to chill and enjoy my Christmas and coming New Year over there.
तो रांची डायरीज की बात करें, आपने शुरुआत की, तो क्या कहना चाहेंगे? उसमें काफ़ी बड़ी स्टार कास्ट थी, आप भी थे, तो क्या रिकॉग्नाइज्ड हुआ आपका जो रोल था या जो आपने कैरेक्टर प्ले किया?
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई एम वेरी थैंकफुल टू खेर सर कि उन्होंने मेरे ऊपर ट्रस्ट किया और उनको लगा कि दैट आई कैन प्ले गुड़िया ऑफ रांची डायरीज, बिकॉज फॉर एन आउटसाइडर आई थिंक इट्स अ ड्रीम रोल टू प्ले एंड टू बी लॉन्च्ड बाय मिस्टर अनुपम खेर, हु हिमसेल्फ इज such a legendary actor. So मेरे लिए बहुत स्पेशल था. रांची डायरीज बहुत स्पेशल थी. आई गॉट टू वर्क विद मिस्टर खेर, सतीश सर, जिमी सर. सो आई थिंक ये सब काफ़ी बड़े लोग हैं, इनके साथ बैठना ही अपने आप में बहुत बड़ी बात है. सो आई थिंक आई गॉट अ चांस टू वर्क विद देम.
Talking about your background, where you started out from and what really made you passionate about acting as such?
Okay, I come from a medical background and I just turned 24. तो मैं अपनी पढ़ाई कंप्लीट कर रही थी and I always wanted to be an actor. सो इट्स नॉट समथिंग कि मुझे अभी आया यह कीड़ा, हमेशा से था. पढ़ाई कंप्लीट किया और वहाँ पे मैंने NSD में, दिल्ली में NSD में 3.5 मंथ्स का एक्टिंग. सो मैंने NSD में 3.5 मंथ्स का एक्टिंग कोर्स किया. एक एक्ट वन थिएटर ग्रुप है, मैंने वहाँ से एक्टिंग क्लासेस किए और फिर मैं बॉम्बे आई और मुझे रांची डायरी साइन किया, मैंने करने का मौका मिला. खैर सर ऑब्वियसली गाइड करते थे थ्रू आउट, तो उनके साथ काम किया. तो मेरे लिए इट वाज लाइक अ ड्रीम कम ट्रू, बिकॉज मेरा कोई फैमिली बैकग्राउंड नहीं है. आई कम फ्रॉम नोवेयर इन टर्म्स ऑफ बॉलीवुड. तो मेरे लिए तो थोड़ा बहुत होना भी अपने आप में एक बड़ी चीज़ है. सो आई एम हैप्पी.
सोनल, ये कहना चाहूँगा कि so how have been the journey till date? I mean, has been difficult, it's challenging, what kind of journey is it?
हाँ, it's been exciting and challenging both, because exciting इसलिए क्योंकि it's a new thing for me. It's not something I always have pursued. So it's a new path, new journey, and challenging because you don't know anybody over here. जो भी आपको करना है, जो आप अचीव कर रहे हो, आपको खुद के बलबूते पे ही करना है. सो दैट्स व्हाई इट्स चैलेंजिंग एंड इट बिकम्स मोर चैलेंजिंग व्हेन यू कम फ्रॉम अ डिफरेंट स्टेट ऑल टुगेदर. तो yeah.
So what kind of preference you will give to acting as such? Will it be just a film, you want to work in the television industry as well, or theatre or anything? You want to explore things?
Yes, but I think right now I just want to concentrate on films, and that is something I only want right now. TV and all, I have not thought much about it. So it's only, and especially when you get to work with Mr. Anupam Kher, why would I want to go in TV series? Like, not that I don't like that and I look down on it. No, but because it's something I know what I want to do.
Okay. Talking about the payment or the salaries of the actress or the Deepika have got 11 crore for Padmavati. So how positive do you think this is a step for the female actress to come in the industry?
So I think absolutely there should be no disparity, because females play equal role as actors, because सिर्फ एक एक्टर के होने से फिल्म एंटरटेनमेंट उसमें नहीं आता है. It has to be a female lead also. So I think it's absolutely fair and she deserves it. She's a mega star now. She's spent almost 9-10 years and she's at the top of her game. She should get it, and I think all the females, in fact, for that matter, it's a very good step.
But being a female, it's not secure for it's not so secure, it's not so safe for a person to come over here and pursue a career in acting. So how has been your experience as such? Recently you saw that Zahira Wasim case.
Yeah.
See,
these are two different questions.
No, it's not a question. I mean, I wanted to ask, do you find it secure and safe for being a female
See,
should
I
be
think
part of the industry?
secure as a country we have to work towards it, because these days whatever is happening, obviously we have not lived in a very perfect India so far. We are changing the minds of people. We are still developing as a country, so it has lot to do with the mindset. इतना सिक्योर तो नहीं है, बट या डेफिनेटली वी आर गेटिंग इन अ बेटर स्पेस, एंड येस आई फील मोर सिक्योर earlier than my days in Delhi back then. But yeah, I think we are going towards a better India.
But still, when something like this comes and any controversies or anything as such, Salib's comments are not taken so seriously. What you have to comment that Salib should be taken more seriously when they talk something regarding any subject or any topic as such?
I think everybody should speak up about this. Whatever has happened with her, it's quite unfortunate, because you know, female should not be looked up as an object, I would say, because there shouldn't be any question of in fact objectifying a girl or a woman. So this is very unfortunate, whatever has happened with Zaira. At the same time, we should be like ready with the arms on. If somebody is trying to just do something, just break the leg.
And what did you find so amazing about the industry as such, about the people, about the opportunity they are giving to you? How did you find? Are they friendly? Are they motivating to you?
Yes, I think this industry is beautiful. See, the beauty of this industry is that it's very eccentric. हर तरीके के लोग यहाँ काम करते हैं, irrespective of what fields they come from, what families, what religion, from whichever part of the country. This is the beauty of this place. This is a place which actually helps you to achieve your dreams. So for me, so I have been fortunate enough to at least start my journey with Ranchi Diaries. So I think there would be a lot of other actors, like there are good examples like Kangana is there, Kriti is there, and all, even Alia for that matter, and all the people. This is the beauty, it brings all kinds of people together.
And as you're not from a female background, so
Yeah.
will that be more challenging? Because you know there is talk of nepotism, that people from the background are always dominating the industry from the last several years.
See, I think nepotism exists in every industry. It's just not Bollywood. Yes, it's very challenging because I am an outsider and I'm trying to make my place. And it's, believe me, saying that it's difficult is an understatement. It is really difficult. But at the same time, if you are positive, if you keep working hard, stay positive, it takes you there. But रही बात nepotism की, nepotism सब जगह है, and it's about how you see it. Definitely people should give more chance to outsiders, because there are a lot of talented people like me and others. But at the same time, keep working hard, because we don't have any other option.
Okay. Lastly, asking any project in the coming months or
Yes, I'm working on 2 projects. Things are moving. It's in the pipeline, but it will be like too early for me to talk about them. So, yeah, crossing my fingers.
thanks.
Thank you.